Creating variety and interest in your writing. Synonyms and antonyms. Hello and welcome, English learners. In today's video, we're going to delve into an important aspect of writing, creating variety and interest. Specifically, we'll be talking about the roles of synonyms and antonyms in making your writing more dynamic and engaging. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's quickly recap what synonyms and antonyms are. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings, like happy and joyful. On the other hand, antonyms are words that have opposite meanings, such as happy and sad. Understanding and using synonyms and antonyms effectively can greatly enhance your writing. When you're writing, using the same words over and over again can make your text seem monotonous and repetitive. This is where synonyms can come to the rescue. By swapping out repeated words for their synonyms, you can introduce variety into your writing and keep your readers' interest. For example, instead of repeatedly using the word happy, you might switch it up with joyful, cheerful, content, and so on. Where synonyms bring variety, antonyms can be used to create contrast, highlight differences, and even introduce conflict in your writing. If you're writing a story or an argument, the clever use of antonyms can make your points more vivid and compelling. For example, juxtaposing happy and sad in the same sentence or paragraph can underscore an important change or contrast in the situation. While using synonyms and antonyms can improve your writing, it's important to be cautious. Not all synonyms and antonyms are perfect matches in every context, and the connotations can vary. Always consider the overall tone and message of your piece before choosing your words. A thesaurus can be a useful tool, but remember, it should complement your understanding of words, not replace it. That wraps up our discussion on creating variety and interest in writing using synonyms and antonyms. Remember, these tools can help make your writing more dynamic and engaging, but they should be used thoughtfully and judiciously. So keep practicing, keep writing, and see how much your work can improve. As always, happy learning, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.